Brian Gleize here with the Scott Agency. One of the questions I get all the time is, how do I sign up for Medicare Part B as in boy? So the example that we're giving today is that it's a person that's age 65 or older, they're still working, and they still have group health insurance. So that means since they're 65, they have Medicare Part A, but they've chosen to decline Medicare Part B for the moment because they have group health insurance. If they would have chosen Part B would begin to charge them, and nobody wants to pay twice, do they? But now I've decided that I want to retire, which is a great thing. Happy day. So what do I need to do now that I know that I'm going to retire? So hypothetically speaking, let's say I'm going to retire in January. We've got to sign you up for Medicare Part B. I suggest you start the paperwork or start the process 4 months before you retire. If you're within that 4-month window, don't fret. But if it's something where you've decided, I'm going to retire next week, that can cause me a problem. So we like to apply 4 months ahead of time. Medicare Part B as in boy is for your doctor's office visits. It's not an insurance product, so we don't have applications for it or anything like that. You can call the Social Security Administration to help you, or you can go online. On this video, we're showing you how to do it online. So the website that you want to go to is right here, and I'm going to look to see if I can put a link in the website onto the video somehow. But if I can't, you can look at it right here, ssa.gov, Social Security Administration.gov, /benefits /Medicare /, and that'll bring you to this page that we're on right now. Now there's lots of information on this page, but I'm going to take you directly to where we want to go. I'm going to scroll down, and here's where we're at. It says already enrolled in Medicare, because we already have Medicare Part A. All right, so here, if you're already enrolled in Medicare Part A and you want to enroll in Part B, please complete form CMS 40B, application for enrollment in Medicare Part B. And it says if you're applying for Medicare Part B to the loss of employment or group health insurance coverage, which if you're retiring, you will be. You'll be losing your group health insurance coverage. I know you're not losing your employment. You're choosing to lose your employment because, by gosh, we're retiring. You will also need to complete form CMS L564. Very governmental, don't you think? So those are 2 forms. These are links to those forms. If you click on the link like I just did, it will take you to where you can get that form. So whether you want English or Spanish, now you would click here, the CMS 40B, and you wait. And voila, here it is. Application for enrollment in Medicare. This is one that you will fill out, all right? And I'll show you where it says it. When you fill this form out, it's important that you put in remarks here that I want my Part B benefits to start 01/2021. I'll show you where it says it, but it's important because it doesn't say it anywhere on this dang form. It just says it in the remarks. So let me go back. All right, so we're back here. We talked about the CMS 40B and the CMS L564. This is a form that your employer is going to fill out, guys. It talks about your employer's name, employer's address, city, state, the date your coverage started. I highly, highly suggest you take this form to your human resources manager and let them fill it out for you. All right, so if I go back, it says, note when completing the CMS L564, state, I want Part B coverage to begin on the month in the year in the remarks of CMS 40B. Now it's already confusing because it says when completing the L564, the very first steps point you back to the CMS 40B. So don't be confused. It's the reason why I'm making this video. There are 2 different forms. When you look at the CMS 40B, there is clearly a section for remarks on there, and that's where you want to put, I want Part B coverage to begin on the month. So in the example, 01/2021. If your employer is unable to complete Section B, hopefully that's not the case. Your employer will be able to do it. It says, please do your best job of completing it. Also submit one of the following forms of secondary insurance. Just go through this, see which one is the easiest for you to get. Now then, as far as how to get this to them, you can fax it to this phone number that I've just highlighted, or you can apply online. Now, I've never tried to apply online, but what my suggestion is that you fill out the CMS 40B and the CMS L564 before you try to apply online, because all you're doing is filling those forms out online. If I click the hyperlink to apply online, it's going to take me to the Social Security website. Scroll down. Yes, I agree to all of that good stuff. Start application. And guess what? We're on that wonderful form that they wanted us to print out. So if I scroll down, I think to the bottom, maybe not. I was looking for the form number, is what I was looking for, and it's not on there. But you're going to get this information off of the two forms that you clicked off of previously. Now, this is as far as I can go in this particular step. And then you'll just click through the options. But if I go back, the way I have helped people in the past is to go in, print these forms out for them, or I'm showing you how to get to the forms, and we simply fax the forms to this fax number along with the information that they've given down here. So while this wasn't as clean as a whistle, guys, hopefully it is a step-by-step process where you can watch the video and say, yes, I've got it. Call me, we'll help you with it. But a lot of people have to know that you need to apply for your Medicare Part B, as in boy, your doctor's office visits, preferably 4 months before you retire. Spread the word for me. Tell your friends, tell your family members, tell the people that you work with. We're happy to show them the way. And then more importantly, once they sign up for Medicare Part B, it's time for them to talk to a qualified insurance agent about their Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage options, because that opens up the world of a guaranteed issued Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage product for them. A lot going on in this video, and I apologize for it because we're dealing with the government. Put the video together to try to help walk you through step by step, because if you can look on the screen and then go in and do it, hopefully it helps. So thank you for all you do. We appreciate your time. Bye-bye.